Hi, I'm Michael Tran. I'd like to take you on a virtual tour of this brand new community called Monarch Lane. Monarch Lane, a truly beautiful collection of 9 unique homes where you can live and experience the luxury of a Murray Franklin home and enjoy the amazing surrounding parks and great school district. Perfectly situated close to local shops, cafes, and all the essential amenities while you're still close to all highway access. As you come into the house, you'll see that there's a beautiful dining space with a big bay window to let in the natural light. And you have this gorgeous 20-foot ceiling with a cozy fireplace. The house features a beautiful kitchen with floor-to-ceiling cabinets and gorgeous quartz countertops. One of my favorite features is that the island does not have a sink, which makes it great for entertaining. Additionally, the main floor has a great guest suite with its own bath. Top floor features a bonus room, 3 bedrooms, and a master suite. The master bedroom features vaulted ceilings and bay windows. The master bath features dual vanities, standalone tubs, and a large walk-in closet. Thanks for joining us today. If you're interested in a one-on-one preview, please reach out. Thank you and have a nice day.